Hello everybody and welcome back to Adventure Leisure Vehicles. Today I thought I'd take you for a little look around our facility here at Tebay, just off Junction 38 of the M6. Follow me. Down here we have our selection of KNAUS motorhomes and caravans on my right, and on my left we've got our luxury BUCCANEER caravans. Over here behind these red doors is our dedicated handover bay. So if you buy a new vehicle from us, this is where you'll get the opportunity to familiarise yourself with it before you drive it away. Over here on our main forecourt area we have our COACHMAN caravans and a large selection of our popular ERIBA pop-top caravans. I love their retro styling, and as you know, anything retro is cool. Over here we have my particular favourites, the movable houses. Now I think these offer many of the advantages of a caravan without some of the disadvantages. Now these are going to feature in future videos, so keep an eye out for those if you're interested. Before we go inside, let me just show you the service office. This is where Rob and his team will look after you when you bring your caravan in for a service. Inside we've got more ERIBA caravans and these HEROCAMPERs. These are very cool. They're Danish, and I've been promised if I'm a good boy, I can take one of these bad boys for a spin. You'll have to excuse the mess in here. This is the quiet period before Christmas and we're getting ready for the new year. Now between you and me, if you're thinking of buying a caravan or a camper van in the next 12 months, don't wait until summer, get one now because there are some fantastic deals to be had. Just don't tell the sales team I told you. Speaking of the sales team, this is where they live. We have Faye Unsworth, our Director of Operations, and we have Phil Unsworth, who's our camper van specialist. And yes, they are related, you see. We're just like one big family here. The head of that family, our Managing Director, Michael, lives up these stairs, along with Mike, our Finance Director, Jenny, our Office Manager, and Rick, our Digital Marketing Manager. I'd love to take you up there, but I'm not actually allowed. Instead, I'll show you our service area. This is where you'll find our team of highly skilled technicians. This is where they carry out all of the servicing and repairs. Now, they're always extremely busy, so I'm not going to disturb them. So that's a very brief tour of our site here at Tebay. Next time you're passing Junction 38 of the M6, why not pop in and say hi? The kettle's always on.